Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Zleak. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open the application on your phone. Then you should click on your profile icon on the top right corner. And what you should do right now is to simply click on the settings icon right here. Then once you go to the settings, it will show you here this page, the total balance that you have and the withdrawable balance. The more you play, the more you gain. So now you should click on transactions. Then once you go to transactions, it will show you all the transactions that you have done. Now click on cash out. And here you should type how much do you want to withdraw. Then after typing, you should click on next and the money will be withdrawn to your wallet if you have it saved on your Play Store, or if you do not have it saved on your Play Store and your Google account, you should add it or add any credit card or bank account that you want to withdraw your money to. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.